Hey guys, Parker here with VM Audio, here to introduce you to our new line of Elux 2-channel amplifiers. This line of amplifiers includes 4 new models. The EXA1000.2 1000 watt amplifier with RMS power of 250 watts per channel. The EXA1600.2 1600 watt amplifier with RMS power of 400 watts per channel. The EXA2400.2 2400 watt amplifier with RMS power of 600 watts per channel. And the EXA3000.2 3000 watt amplifier with RMS power of 750 watts per channel. These amplifiers come ready to power your system with a double-sided PCB board, V-MOSFETs, and an efficient power supply. The aluminum die-cast design provides a heat sink, which helps to dissipate heat in your vehicle. It helps your amplifier maintain a safe temperature even in the harshest conditions. The AB class circuitry in these amplifiers deliver precise, half-signal transition with low heat generation. The 5-way electrical protection protects this amp from thermal, short circuit, overcurrent, overvoltage, and undervoltage, ensuring your amp works like new for years to come. These amplifiers also come with the mounting hardware as well as a user guide. Each amplifier comes with a manufacturer's 1-year warranty. VM Audio, the passion of sound.